How to use Sora Video Generator AI for free. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First of all, make sure that you install the application being on your device. Once it has been installed, simply open it. Tap on Continue. Enter your login credential and log into your specific account. Once you've been logged in, tap on this icon at the bottom. Now simply click on this plus icon right here. And then tap on Video Creator. It will land you on this page. Tap on Try It Now. Now in this section, you have to enter the prompt of which you want to create an AI video. You can enter whatever prompt you want to. Once you have entered, you can also modify by clicking on this icon. Choose the aspect ratio, duration, speed, standard according to your need, and then tap on Done. Once you are ready, tap on Create right here. Now you will have to wait for a while for the video to be created or generated for you. And there you go, the video has been created. If you tap on this video, you will be able to view the video. So this is one of the video that has been created with the help of the prompt that you have added. Likewise, you can generate any of the AI video according to the prompt, and then you'll be good to go. You can also download this video by clicking on this download icon, or you can also send the feedback. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.